Welcome us to day 5 of our class, and the focus for this day is Paul's theology of mission. Paul can be considered as a great missionary. Paul participated in God's mission, and if you look at Paul, his practice of mission is based on his theology. And if you look at all of us now, we are becoming theologians. So we must practice mission as theologians. So today, we are going to look at Paul's theology of mission. So I want us to read my notes, pages 3 to 4, and to read Ut Green, pages 115 to 128. Paul had his theology. And summarily, when we are talking about Paul's theology, it has to do with self-revelation of God. God has made himself known. So Paul's theology, Paul's practice of mission is based on this revelation. So one's practice of mission must be based on what God has made known, even to the missionary. The second one, the church as the new people of God. You know, the Israelites, they were the people of God in the Old Testament. But if you look at Paul's theology, the new Israel is the church. The third one is the gospel is universal. The gospel is for every soul, every nation. The next one is the freedom in Christ. We'll read more. Freedom from sin, freedom from bondage, freedom from death. Then the last one, salvation is for the whole person. So this is what we'll be reading. Paul had theology for practicing mission. Don't forget, all that we have been learning, we have been looking at biblical foundation, for Christian mission. As ministers, we are all expected to participate. But our participation in Mission Dei, must be grounded, must be founded in the Bible. I pray that we continue in the class. The Lord will open our eyes. The Lord will also open our eyes to the new way of participating in mission as we are learning, about how Jesus, and how the people of God participated in God's mission. Thank you, and God bless you.